Hey guys, Ryley here. Welcome to the first video in our exciting series on being a first-time homebuyer. Today we're going to be talking about the home buying process. The first step in the home buying process is finding a real estate agent. What's going to be most important to you is finding an agent that you feel comfortable working with. Not only this, but you want to make sure that they have great communication skills and are up to date in this changing market. Unless you're paying all cash for the home that you plan to buy, you will need to meet with a local lender who will talk you through your mortgage options and incentives that come with being a first-time home buyer. Here at the Coley Group, we highly recommend working with a local lender. They work on the weekends and they'll be able to close you quicker than the big bank lenders can. The lender will also ask that you go ahead and get pre-approved. It's quick, easy, and free, but highly necessary. What you'll need to provide is your income information, your tax returns, any retirement accounts you might have debts. They'll look at all of that and then they'll issue you a pre-approval letter which states exactly how much you can afford. If you know that you only want to spend X amount monthly for your mortgage, they can factor that in as well and provide you with what your purchase price should look like. It's really important that you have this pre-approval before jumping into the home search for a few reasons. One, we want you to fall in love with a home and feel comfortable with the monthly payment that comes with it. And two, it's important for all of our clients to be prepared. Here in North Carolina, it's crucial to submit your pre-approval letter with any and all offers. There's a common misconception that in order to afford a home, you need to have a super high credit score and be able to put 20% down. But this is absolutely not the case. As long as you have a credit score of around 600 and you're able to put 3% down, homeownership is very much within reach. And for veterans, keep in mind that you have the ability to put 0% down when purchasing a home. Once you're pre-approved, the fun part starts, touring some homes. As real estate agents, we are able to get a better idea about the look and feel that our clients are interested in. One of the reasons that I love this profession is forming relationships with my clients, because we do spend a lot of time during this process getting to know each other. After finding a home that is right for you, we will discuss the terms of the offer that best suits your wants and needs. Once you submit the offer, it's very important that you don't change your finances. You shouldn't open a new credit card, you shouldn't make any big purchases, and if you have any questions whatsoever, be sure to reach out to your lender. Assuming all goes well and the offer is submitted, you are now what we call under contract. After you go under contract, your due diligence deposit and/or earnest money is due. All of this seems like a lot, but don't worry, with a great agent on your side, we'll walk you through everything and make sure it's a seamless process for you. When it's almost time for closing, your loan officer will go ahead and give you an exact amount of how much you owe in closing costs and how much you owe for your down payment. Typically, your closing costs are 1 to 2% of the final purchase price, and your down payment is decided prior to making the offer. Before getting to the closing table, your agent will arrange an inspection, an appraisal, and title search to be conducted on the property to ensure that closing on your new home goes smoothly. Once all documents are signed at the closing table, congratulations, you are officially a homeowner. Now, your first mortgage payment is typically due on the first day of the second month after closing. For example, if you were to close in early June, your first mortgage payment wouldn't actually be due until August. This month and a half where you're not obligated to pay your mortgage gives you extra breathing room. No doubt, buying your first home can certainly be an endeavor, but a rewarding one. And with the right agent, doesn't have to be complicated. To learn more about the first-time homebuyer process, give us a call at 919-526-0401. Don't forget to subscribe today and click the notification bell below to follow along as we post more videos about being a first-time homebuyer. See you next week.